ride was absolutely great. The snow, the mountains, the beautiful weather made all the difference.
I was actually surprised after I used the new Polo Apterra AT2. The tread of the new Apterra AT2 is just amazing. It just sticks to the ground, to the road, and it performs really well. The handling is superb. I'm just completely in love with the new tires.
It behaved wonderfully, good grip and comfortable ride.
The shift from going on a normal terrain to snow to even sand to even rocky mountains has been absolutely phenomenal, and I think they've just upped the game a lot.
I think the most special thing that happened today's drive is the surrounding that we are in. You can see the snow, and this is what we came for, and we finally get to drive. It's been very nice.